Hey guys, welcome back to my channels, and hey skinnies, welcome back. Ow. So as you guys know, I told you I would do a product update, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So let's just jump straight into the video. But first, if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also turn on your post notifications so that way when I post a video, you know about my pretty face. Just kidding. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it. So recently I've been trying out some new skincare, as always, because I'm like a serious time skincare junkie, and I wanted to respectfully give each product time and try it out. So I've been alternating cleansers and toners and all types of products, and now I'm here to talk about it. So first we're gonna start with Biore. So I tried this product. I purchased this a while ago, and I actually like this cleanser. So it is a deep pore charcoal cleanser, and it was great for oily skin. I don't really have super oily skin. It may look a little shiny now, but I don't really have oily skin. I somewhat kind of control the oil now. However, this product works really, really good, and it works perfectly with my spin brush. So I won a giveaway. Thank you so much, Biore and It's Sugar. I love the products. I won a giveaway, and I got this. So it's somewhat similar to the original one, except this one is in charcoal. This one is the blue agave, which is known to soothe skin and help condition it. This also has baking soda in it, and it says it penetrates pores and gently exfoliates, skin purifying technology, oil free, and pH balance, don't be dirty. And it does exactly that. I think it's somewhat, if you want me to be honest, I feel like it's somewhat the same, except this one has more baking soda. Does this one have baking soda? Yeah, this one doesn't have baking soda in it, and this one does. Plus it's the blue agave, so that's pretty cool. I also got these blue agave baking soda masks. It's like 4 little single packets, and it's warming. Like, as soon as you put it on, it instantly gets hot. So at first it was kind of weird to me. I don't really like that hot sensation on my skin. I like more of the cooling sensation. So, but it was kind of interesting, and I liked it. And I also got these Biore nose and face strips. These are disgusting. And when I say disgusting, I mean it in a good way, because the strip goes on your nose, you peel it off, and then whatever gunk was in your pores is pulled out. And at first I was like, this can't, you know, it's gonna be simple. But when I pulled it off, it was nasty. It was like little creatures living inside of my face, and I just extracted them out. So it's pretty cool. You can find these at probably your local department store, so Target, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens. I would just look around. If not, you can always go to the website. So yeah, these work really well. So I also got some beard oil from Cocoa and Clay, and I've been using it sparingly just because it is a little heavier than I would have expected, but it smells good, and it also works really well. It has bark oil in this, lemon peel oil, flower oil, and seed oil. It's pretty simple. I think most beard oils do the same exact thing. You always want to wash your beard, comb it out, and then apply the beard oil so it's nice and lustrous. And I have seen that, you know, it has been filling out a little bit. I think it's just my body and genetics that it won't fully go through. But yeah, I got it on now, and all you need is a little drop, and it goes a long way. So this is from Cocoa and Clay, and everything will be listed below, guys. So don't worry about having to search too far. All the Instagrams will be listed, and you guys can find and get them. Now I also tried, I think it's Ceylon by Animal Labs. I love their marketing on Instagram. It's what captured my attention. I think the packaging is super, super cool, and it's really easy. If you're looking for just a cleaner, a toner, and a moisturizer, this is the perfect 3-step routine for you guys. Men and women use it too. I don't think that it's specifically for women, but it's more so geared towards men of color, which is why I got it. Now the moisturizer is a simple moisturizer to me. I'm just being honest. It's just a simple moisturizer. Now the actual facial wash, I like it. I like it because it smells like black soap, but I don't think it has black soap in it. But it smells really, really good. It's in a little pump. You may have to do a few extra pumps than necessary. I like to overuse product. That's why you see it's like, it's honestly like right there. So I'm almost done with it, but I really like this one, and this is just the Ceylon facial wash. And then it has the toner. The toner is pretty cool. It's a spray toner. I love spray toners. It's just I usually tone in these areas and right here. Now I started toning under here because I guess I need to balance that skin there as well. But overall I think that if you're looking for something that's super easy, super convenient, again, this is going to be the skincare routine for you. A simple toner, simple moisturizer, and a simple cleanser. Perfect. Don't have to do too much. This will be listed below as well. I think this whole kit was about let's just say $30 to $35, and it came from California within like 3 to 4 days. So I liked it. It was super simple and easy to use. Now, if you're on to looking for something that's going to help you glow and still simple, I think that this will be the perfect skincare kit for you. I got it for either Christmas or my birthday. Teddy bought it for me. Thank you so much. Shout out to Teddy. It's Buttah Skincare by Dorian Renaud, and I'm pretty much out of the cleanser. It's a little bit left in here. Super easy cleanser. Not too many ingredients in it. Doesn't have much of a smell, which I like, and I'm starting to transition to fragrance-free products on my face. So I think that it was a smart move. Thank you so much again. And I love the packaging. It's so like masculine and like attractive. But here is the cleanser. Super easy to use. Sorry, my smudge fingers are on it. Super easy to use. Then there's also a vitamin C serum. Now I still have a bunch of this in here because I haven't used it as much. I'm just getting into serums. The serum that I've been using a lot lately has been from Decium, with the Ordinary, and it's the hyaluronic serum, but I'm gonna start using this more. I haven't used it as much, so I promise I'll give this more attention. But what I've really been using has been the actual shea butter. I guess you can call it like a facial moisturizer, the shea butter. Now I broke the top by mistake, yeah, but I'm all up in there. Look at that. This just makes my skin feel so soft. If you want that glowy, radiant look, this is going to be the product for you. And again, this was a super easy kit. It all came together. I think it's priced at about 50 bucks, but it comes with a cleanser, a serum, and a facial moisturizer shea butter like rub that you can put on. And I absolutely love this. I would get this over and over and over again, especially this. Like, I can mix and match my cleansers, but this helps my skin glow. It feels radiant. It also makes my beard feel a little soft and clean. So yeah, I really love Buttah Skincare, and I definitely suggest it for you guys. I wanted to keep this video nice and short. Again, I'll still be posting and doing more updates as time go along, so hopefully you guys stay tuned and you like it. Again, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. Skinnies, you know what's up. Come to the skinny gang. Gang. That was kind of whack. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Drop a comment, show some love. Let me know if you're using these products or you're trying them out. I really appreciate the feedback. And as always, guys, I'm out of here. Until next time.